Now I can move into the human resource module. In the human resource module, you can just see the similar pattern of common factors. Left part showing human resource all module menu, right part quick access menu, and below part dashboard, which dashboard contains some information for management. Our software has an individual module-wise dashboard. You can find for every module that showing your individual dashboard. Also has summarized dashboard. Human resource has three parts. First component, every module has some extra master setup. That master setup showing you that menu, and then workspace, and then document parts. Master setup, all master setup here. Workspace, you can start your work from using that workspace area, and then document parts, you find all types of report, all kinds of reports here. First, we can set employee category by using employee categories. Your company has some categories like management, staff, worker, those type of work master setup we can set here. Job description. In this job description part, like job title operator, production, no more objectives, report to, who is the person to report, arbitrarily, employee ID, production manager. Now, who is part of responsibilities? He, for him, sewing, knitting, linking, what kinds of skills he has, machine handling, like that, etc. etc. This is job description part. After that, job termination. You know, every company has the rules of termination, and when an employee terminate from any types of from company, that he has some reasons to terminate from your company or any other company. So you can set here terminate reason, better option, opportunity, family problem, own business. Like this is dynamically, you can set unlimited termination reason. Custom classification is another features in human resource, like blood donor, production, non-production, firefighter, volunteers. These classified options you can enter by using plus button. Dynamically you can add one after another. For this, you just, when an employee recruited by using this software in employee profile, that time you can assign blood donor, production, non-production, firefighter or volunteers, whatever it is, and then he will go to the classified options. Now I would like to discuss about manpower and planning and budgeting options. In the manpower planning and budgeting, every company has to rule for recruited his employees, like styles, department swing, section swing 1, line swing, line 1. And also if you distinct by designation wise, then it is also segregate by designation. Okay, like junior operator on rule 17, budgeted 17. There is a print copy also. This budget also a vital options of the software, and every company, if follow the budget system, then must minimize their employee overhead cost. This is manpower planning and budgeting option. After that, option is counseling subject. Counseling subject is a features which, if you want that your employees wise counseling, that already HR and compliance division functioning this option. So like absent, if employee continuously, if one or more employee continuously absent, if late continuously, leave continuously, then that specific employees come to HR department, and HR department counseling him why he or she late, continuously absent continuously. That is called counseling subject. We just master setup here, absent, late, production design, and then exit interview questions. Every company has rules to resign for any employees. When employee want to resign from the companies, that time the HR division call him and ask some questions, which if you want to use this software, then you must master setup of this question and answer. The final settlement elements also a master setup, which one employee, when he resigned from your company, and if his job age is above 5 years, in between 5 years to 10 years, then follow one rules for his job benefits. And if her or she he or she continue your company above 10 years, then follow another policies to his benefits, job benefits. These two types of rules already set here, and this is dynamically, because if any kinds of rules changes, then you just edit and then save, so that we can design it dynamically. This is financial element setup. Now we are start our main features. Employee profile. An employee, when an employee recruit to the company, then all of his information entry using by this profile. New profile, if you want to newly add someone, then you click new profile and entry all of information, his personal information, his address, his family information, his relatives information, his background check information, his previous training information, all of his pictures, his images. He, custom class already we discussed about custom class. That custom class also defined here what types of custom class he you can select him as your company. That is the issues, and we just we just saw another options, like this person already we input his all of information, like permanent address, present address, documents. Like documents means all types of documents. If you want to save by PDF copy, then we save here like this. passport, like this. His passport also be saved here. TIN certificate also be here. TIN certificate also be here. Education system, his PGD, HRMS, what types of passing he, relatives, spouse, all of information here. This is called employee profile: address, documents, education, experience, trainings, relatives, etc. This is employee profile. And then we look after job confirmation part. Job confirmation, if you want to confirm your employee, then used job confirmation part. And then increment analyst is a function. That function used to increment for all employees. In garments industries, there is a rules for increment like percentage wise and joint date base, like worker for worker, call year 222 and call month, calculation month, January, and percentage is 5. Then submit, then showing you all percentage wise increment. If you save, then increment sheet hit it from the main gross salary and it is updated by increment. And also if you want to download, then that is possible. That is increment analyst part. After increment analyst part, this is job promotion. Job promotion, here some criteria has increment, promotion, transfer. That is different criteria, because we design this function different criteria, because an employee, you will give him or her special increment like 500, then you give him special increment like 500, 1000 taka a time, then use this increment part. Promotion, if you want to give him promotion like assistant manager to manager or assistant operator to operator, so you can use this form. If you want to transfer from one line to another or one section to another, then you may use to this function, like by using this criteria. When you want to give increment, then select increment part. When you want to give promotion, then select promotion part. When you want to give transfer, then select transfer part and then input all of information. This is dynamically designed. If you want to give him promotion with increment, promotion with transfer, increment with transfer, promotion, increment with transfer, so that is different criteria was designed this dynamically. You can use this form. Also, all of information is there. If you want to take it by Excel, so it is possible to transfer Excel data. And then employee rejoin option. Rejoin option is used to, after a resignation or lefty employee, then he will come back into your factory, and that time it will need to rejoin, because his backup data already into the software, so he tell to the HR division, then HR division check out his background data and then rejoin him or her. This is called rejoin options. Just creating employee ID, employee name, whole join date and subsection rejoin date, so that he also newly joined but rejoined, because his or joined it already into the software. So it called rejoin. External data upload means if you want to upload some data like bank account data or like employee another extra data, if you want to upload, then use by this option like bank account upload, increment upload, employee profile, basic information also be uploaded by Excel, master data upload. So this is called external upload data options. Counseling records is an option which is options. This option also be counseling for an employee, like we'll put employee ID and which subject you want to counseling for that employees, that just assign this system and comments about counseling like and create. That is the counseling system and if you want to use this feature for counseling, that is possible. Employee resignation means an employee when he or she want to resign from your company, then using this system for his resign approved by, resign approved date, resign approved, resign letter submitted. These are the, and reason letter also, if you want to scan and save into this software, then this is possible to use this. This is employee resignation also options. And then job exit interview answer. Already we master set up the question and answer, and this is the operation part for that master setup. When an employee must final settlement also created, and then that time this is the options, that is the answer, text answer option. So this is, and also mark with marking, this is the exit interview system. And then final settlement process. This is the final settlement process. Which month, then select this month. Category, which category he is, worker or staff, select the category. Notice day, because final settlement has two types of system, 14 days, 2 month notice or without notice. So notice day already also be input. Elements, there are retirement or resign, which termination, dismissal, that kinds of system I can here. And from date to date, an employee ID, selected employee ID, which employee ID can be final settlement, then process. After process, report showing you report part, document part. This is the final settlement process. Employee rapid entry in another is another option. Sometime when employees start recruitment after implementing software, we input all of employee information data, and after implementing software, recruitment data, employee data also be input into the software. So your employee list, when 10 or above employees input at a time, then this software help to rapidly input by using this system. So we design dynamically to input data rapidly. So it called rapid entry system. This is workspaces in human resource part, and then we discuss about documents. In documents part, general report like employee master report. This is the report part. Just you will get report by different angle, by department, by section, by subsection, by designation group, job location, what types of criteria you can input into the group field, and that group field will take report by this element wise, like department, section or section, department, this department, category, which category, work or staff or all which you want. This criteria from gross, from to gross, which criteria you want, so that different types of criteria already built it. Now we just print this document. So this is a master list, employee master list. This is a report. It report also, if you want to print group wise, then it will come group wise report. This is group wise report also. Different criteria, master list. This is the summary, category, management, staff worker, accounts, all kinds of report. Master is details. Okay. This is the report. And then this is the migration report. Migration report means how many types of, how many people are newly recruited into your company, and how many employees resign or left from your company in current month. That report showing you. Also this report by department, by section, by subsection, by designation group, by job location, all criteria wise you will get this report. Lefty resign, list or group wise. In January 1st 22 to January 31, in between this month, how many employees will newly recruited in your factory. This report showing you all with all information, join date, birth date, age, blood group, skill matrix, shift, phone number, salary. This is a new recruited report. And also lefty resign report here. This is lefty resign report with service length, resign date, age, 3 years, 4 months, 24 days, already job complete in this factory or company. This is new recruited report or resign lefty report called migration report. Gender, religion, grade analysis report. This is also a report. Gender list, religion list summary, grade list summary. Also, the report follows criteria, department, section, subsection, designation, job location. If you unselect, then all gender will come to show you. Male, female, which type, gender list summary. This is summary, manpower, gender, category. Religion list. This is religion list. Which type of religions, how many employees in your factory, religion wise summary list. Many types of reports already built in this X Factor HR Payroll software. Then employee register, service book also here. Service book means in Bangladesh, service book is a vital role, play a vital role. This is called service book. In BGME or Bangladesh government rules, wise service book already built into this software. Now this is huge report, personal module document, personal file. Personal files means a certificate, nominee letter, job application, join letter. If you want to see one report only in multiple report at a time, this is possible to see multiple report at a time. Employee ID wise or individual ID wise, this is all many of employees at a time. This is possible. One employee, others employee, like this is a certificate. This is a certificate. If you want to see several types at a time, then you just click and print. These will show several types of employee documents at a time. Employee CV also. This is employee CV. This is employee CV. Then here women network permit, additional work letter, employees detail information, police verification. This is also police verification by any police station. This is module document part report here. Now increment promotion report. This is Bengali or others increment promotion, forester, increment worker. Huge options, increment analyst, promotion list, transfers list, job record by individual employee or by detail employee. This is transfer record, increment related staff. Okay. This is all types of report, and then tax salary amount, envelope, data query, today birth, day list. Tax salary amount is an options to show full a report. All types of taxable salary and taxable without taxable salary. This report also built into the software. This is ID card, also ID card here. This is ID card also an employee. If you want to see multiple employee, then this is possible, selected by multiple employee ID card, like this type, that multiple types of employee ID card showing you. Also from date to date to show you multiple employee ID card. And late warning letter, job analysis report. Also you see the dashboard of employee module, HR module, employee HR module, regular, new, recruitees and FT. This is our employee all information, the dashboard, and this is our human resource part. I already discussed about quick access. So if any query, then please mail me or knock us to my channel. Thanks everybody. Now we are going to attendance module. In attendance module there are three parts also: component for master setup, workspace for working, daily working features, and document parts for report. In components, first shift management. Shift management need to input time frame for working hour. Like your company has 3 or more different times to come worker in your factory, like general shift 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and another shift roster like day shift, night shift, and day night 3 roster system. Different types of shift. Our shift management system has already been dynamically designed. Like if you want to add your shift time 9 a.m. to 18 p.m. or if you want to assign shift by 8 a.m. to 17 p.m. or any types of security roster like 2 shift, A shift 7 to 16 p.m. and B shift 19 to 4 p.m. etc. etc. Whatever you want to apply the time frame for working in your factory site, that time frame you will input here and assign your employee for those shift wise. This is shift scheduling time. After that, in attendance, the next feature is holiday setup. In holiday setup, all types of holiday vacation, you input all of information about holidays. The holiday setup already designed dynamically. How many types of holiday in year you can give your employee, and also our country has some rules about government holiday, that all types of holiday sets here by adding plus button, and you will give all of information into the add holiday. This is holiday setup of forms. After that, create schedule for creating employee working schedule. Delete schedule, if you want to delete working schedule, then delete using delete by permitting of administrator. Create scheduling also by permitted by administrator. We can change. Sometime our country have different policy by government, that before some days for any power problem, government declare zone wise weekend. then zone wise, like some zone have Friday, some zone have Saturday, some zone Sunday, like that, so that sometime need it can do by changing weekend by using this feature. So we can develop, we can change features here. Now workspace added for working all of features. Attendance process first. Attendance process, our software have to process attendance data automatically when employee punch into the device, attendance device. Then our software gets data from device automatically and the process and then process. So this is attendance process system. Duty exchange also a feature when if you want that one employee, he or she already in general shift, but you can exchange into the A shift, then use duty exchange options and change duty time. Manual attendance also a feature when an employee missed his punch, his or her punch, the attendance device. Sometime in morning, that time employee rush time, when they enter into the factory, that time some employee missing their finger punch or face punch, so that it will need to update his or her employee daily attendance into the software by using this feature. Employee first input employee ID and then date time also. January 22, we can assign this month. And then all types of monthly data has come there, and you just change or update manually by using this form. Also, it will preserve manual action by user, which user can make or update this data into using this form, that already software keep record. If you want to monthly or daily, that how many types of manual entry already updated by this software by user 1, user 2, that already audited data already keep into the software. This is manual system. Manual already another manual attendance Excel. If you want to Excel upload manually, then it is possible. Machine log means the which brand machine you can use and which types of data already in software from attendance device. If you want to see that is possible to see, like ZK device or Ectatech, which device you want, that is possible. Okay. This is attendance data coming from attendance device. This is another system for. This is time adjustment. This is another manual update option, which option at a time updated multiple employees and multiple options like shift time, customs. If you custom give, then inner time, in mean, out hour, out mean at a time. That's showing all of employees there, and then you can update it. All of employees should be updated. This is time adjustment option. Another manual update option, bulk attendance. Bulk attendance also update manually updated option, employee ID wise. If you select by like swing up, swing section, swing department, swing unit 1, subsection, line, all or several types of subsection. If you want segregated by designation, also be here by designation, one designation or several, which you want. Category also here. Almost there are several types of option for manual updating. Employee ID also specific ID. We put worker, employee ID, and then time range, which month, which date you want to update. Okay, so it will come, and if you want to custom, including OT, set weekend, like different types, set weekend, different manual options already built in here. You can you want to update your manual options by yourself for your employees. So this is the manual part. Another part is manage off-day holiday manual. This is a important part in our country, in Bangladesh, that garments manufacturing industries sometimes works in weekend, but we can treat as general time, so that software can take decision which day weekend or which day general, so that we can manually exchange this date by subsection or department or section or shift, whatever you want. Then select and then set regular or compensatory weekend, holiday weekend, complete. That is the different types of elements there. This is manage off-day holiday. Then if you want to duty exchange to duty exchange several, another duty exchange part. Sending mail, if you want to send mail, then you can just mail to which report we want to mail, then working date, automatically send mail by the software. Sending SMS, WhatsApp, if you want to SMS any types of WhatsApp record, then you can send some data by WhatsApp. Alter shift time is the important part, because sometimes in our country in Ramadan, sometimes your shift time start from 8. Generally shift time start from 8 a.m. but in Ramadan, in middle of the month start Ramadan. When you start Ramadan, then shift time 8 a.m. to convert or alter shift time 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. or 4 p.m. whatever it is. That time, using alter shift time, you can alter your shift time in middle of the month. Just one time you can alter, then shift be altered, should be altered. This is alter shift time. Attendance adjustment also manual update system. Attendance adjustment option, another options. So it is workspace. After workspace, we would like to see some reports by documents options or quick access options. Here we see from documents option, like if I put data in January to Then here also different types of mode, application mode 1, 2 or 3, which mode data you want to see. Attendance report, just we print it by this date, then this is attendance report. This is no data showing here. This with data, this is in our time, late minute, status, OT, so all of information there. Now in attendance report, already showing you something about attendance report, and then present report, absent report, late sheet. This is report. In this form you can identify it, the report element wise, category wise, shift wise, employee ID wise, selecting employee ID or all employee ID. If you want to select 3 or more, that is possible to take report from this software. Present sheet, absent sheet, also with their absent sheet, absenteeism, last present date, total absent. This is the absent sheet. Late sheet, this is a late sheet, and then in time missing report, this is the in time missing report. How many people already missed their punch when he entered the factory. And then out missing, early exit, how many employees can out earlier. This is early exit report. And the summary sheet, top sheet, summary sheet, today's summary sheet. Also summary sheet designed by your requirement. Other sheet, job card by ID wise, or if you want to select ID wise, individual ID or all employees, this is possible. Section wise, subsection wise, category wise, line wise, this is possible to print here. Summary sheet, employee job card showing you ID number, name, present, absent, leave, holidays, all types of information including into the job card. This is employee job card. This is a part of attendance report. Then this is the employee attendance analysis report. Analysis also some options, section wise, department wise, subsection wise, designation wise. Yes, this all information, attendance information here. If you want to download by Excel or some other reels, this is attendance analysis options. And then attendance information, overtime information, long absent employee list. Long absent employee list, this is the important part. When employee takes salary and then some employees absent without notice, so that our government law, without notice, employees should be issue some letter, like first letter, second letter, third letter. It is also designed by government law wise. This is already designed in mother language. So this is long absent list, long absent employee, another absent employee list. Attendance audit log is important. When user updated manually employees attendance, then software already keep record which person update attendance manually and which time he updated, that showing your previous in our previous in mean current in our current in mean, which ID which PC, which IP used for updated manually. This information showing you. Also, inactive manpower punch. Some people punch into the device. He already left from your factory, but without notice he will come to the factory and start punch and duty. So this report also showing you information that how many people already left but starting punch. That is inactive manpower punch report. Work hour analysis report. This is also a important report. Show you how many people in a different hour, which department or section, 8 hour, 9, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., 13 p.m., 14 p.m., which time, that analysis report. Absent counseling report we already discussed in HR section, HR module, that some options that are absent subject, counseling subject. So that counseling subject including for this option. So date wise record if you keeping, then software will show you that for counseling how many employees you already counseling about absenteeism. Line wise daily working hours, daily staff in out report, daily absent counseling report, OT summary. OT summary means this is OT summary report. If you want to segregate by section, by designation, by department, by subsection, by category, and in between from date to date, this is also you want to see how many hours your company already overtime have been done. So that is the overtime summary report. And then we already discussed that every module has some dashboard, like employees presence, employees total employees presence, late, absent, weekend on leave, and absent graphical representation, leave graphical representation. Also mentioned there graph wise manpower. So this is attendance module.